Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time of day you're listening. This is just to show off a diorama build that I created. It's not really a full build, but I'm going to show a few of the steps that I did to create this Mutant Mayhem diorama. As you can see here, I'm doing a little dry brushing onto the shells to make sure that they look a little more worn and aged, not the clean look they had. And now we're on to filling in the lenses on Donatello's glasses. For this I used a little UV resin that I got from Temu with a UV light. Put the UV in, make sure it spreads out evenly, then hit it with a black light. Now UV resin does get hot when it's curing, so don't be like me and don't use your flesh to put it on. And I did the rest for the turtles. For Master Sensei, I wanted to give him thick Coke bottle lenses. And then I did the UV resin for the rest of the guy's eyes to give them depth and make them shine. And here we are to the backdrop for the diorama, the block wall that will be in the sewer. I'm adding a little foliage to make it look like moss that is growing through the cracks. Now I've already, as you can see, pre-done all of the bricks, scored them in with first an X-Acto knife and then the back end of a paintbrush. And then I took a rolled up ball of aluminum and I created the texture. Now it's on to gluing on the foliage. First we glue it on, and then afterwards we put a second layer of glue on top of it and work it in with an old toothbrush to make sure that none of it falls off. You'll notice that I said toothbrush when I really meant paintbrush. Now we're on to the base. I've already scored a broken piece of concrete and put in some more texture with aluminum ball. Put on some resin to make it look like the ooze canisters were broken and spilling stuff. And here is the background. Everything was sort of just nailed in place and then hot glued to hold it on the wall. And this is what we get. Thank you for looking. I appreciate your time, and more full build videos from different genres will be coming on the channel. Thank you.